Interaction and play with cats. Welcome back to our beloved series on cats. Having explored their history, various breeds, healthcare, and nutrition in previous episodes, it's time now to delve into a vital part of any cat's life: interaction and play. Play is not just fun for cats, it's essential for their physical and mental health. Today, we will discover how games and interactions can strengthen your bond with your cats and contribute to their development. Join us as we learn the best ways to play and interact with our furry companions. The importance of play. Play stimulates cats' natural instincts like hunting, helping to keep them physically fit and mentally sharp. It reduces boredom and negative behaviors such as scratching and biting. Favorite types of toys. Toys that mimic prey, like small mice or birds, and move in ways that captivate cats' attention. Puzzle toys that challenge their intelligence and encourage them to use their senses. Daily interaction. Setting aside daily playtime with your cat deepens the relationship and meets their emotional and social needs. Using interactive toys like rods with feathers or ribbons allows for direct engagement with your cat. Creating a safe play environment. Ensure that the toys and play area are safe and free from anything that could pose a danger to the cat. Monitor cats with new toys to ensure their safety. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement and rewards during play sessions to encourage good behaviors. Praise and treat rewards can reinforce desired behaviors. That concludes our episode today on interaction and play with cats. We hope you found inspiration in this episode to spend more enjoyable and beneficial time with your furry friends. Remember, playing with your cat not only contributes to their health and happiness, but also strengthens the deep bond between you. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information and tips on cat care. See you in our next episode.